ha 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 ha, see you silly. Ha 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 ha. Say you're silly. I know, say ha 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 ha, silly. Uh-oh, we're teasing again. Is that funny? He's teasing. Look, Keegan. We do it again? Watch, watch. Here it goes. You want me to do it again? Are you ready? Watch. You should we do it again? Here it goes. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, here I go. Here I go. And look, Keegan. Whee! There it goes. What do you think of that? Do you like it? He goes, no, I want to teeth. So it was funny the first 3 times. Now it's not so funny. Okay. Aww. You're so cute. So teething and all, I'm still sweetie, huh? I know. Are you ready? Look, Keegan. What do you think of that? See much. Are you going to do it or no? He says, I'm going to eat my hands. I'm going to eat my hands. Are they yummy or your hands yummy? I think we're about done in this jumperoo.